Okay, what's up guys? I wanted to jump back on. I did a video on YouTube a couple days ago about the s.a.m funnel, and there's a big hype around the s.a.m funnel. Lots of people are jumping on. Essentially, it is a sales funnel that helps you use ClickFunnels to start your own affiliate marketing business. It's a great entryway into affiliate marketing. Great system that is able to attract leads and help people and nurture them along a process of wanting to start their own affiliate marketing business. Okay, and so if you can see here real quick, we got the basically this is what the first screen of the s.a.m funnel looks like. Shows them a little video, and then they can put their name and email in, and once you get that, it moves them through the setup of their own s.a.m funnel through doing a trial of ClickFunnels. And again, if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it is a sales funnel software. And so I basically wanted to show you the results of what I've been doing. I set up the s.a.m funnel, and then on the back end you can see here, these are the different funnel steps. There's a start page, edit page. This is where you'll actually edit and put your own link for your own ClickFunnels account in there. And then this is a share, the share page. You can edit. Actually, you don't edit, but this is where the share page is. This is where people go and select their traffic. So I've run traffic. I have 5 different vendors I'm using now. So solo ads is basically the way that I'm sending traffic to these funnels. You can do it other ways. You can do it organic. You can do it through Facebook ads. It's recommended to use solo ads, and it does cost money. And so that's, this isn't a funnel, and affiliate marketing really isn't something you do because you want quick money. If you want quick money, you basically go to Domino's and start delivering pizzas and stuff. If you need a second job, that's a quick way to get money. Affiliate marketing is basically you nurture and create a system, spend a lot of time and do a lot of work up front, but then in the long run your efforts just kind of multiply. And so I started off, created this funnel in a couple days. Well, I mean, it's given to us, but I made adjustments and tweaks to it. Ran solo ads. I started with, let me just show this real quick to the next page. Where are we going here? Let's pull this over here. So I bought 200 clicks, paid $170 for those solo ads, and then this is 4/22. So it's April 27th right now, but on the 22nd, I just had one ClickFunnels user from a prior person I signed up. So no new trials, no one trialing. After 69 clicks, you can see that I had already 3 new trials, 3 people coming in with a potential monthly recurring revenue of $196. And then after 176 clicks, we had 4 new trials with a potential monthly recurring revenue of $235. And then as the run ended, we ended up with 5. Okay, so I had 5 new trials, which is incredible. I've never released kind of like a business in the box sales funnel through ClickFunnels, and so to actually get these trials, it's awesome. Now, clearly it's just a 14-day trial, and this potential revenue, I mean, it means nothing. It's just a potential if all of these people stick on after their trial, which is not likely. However, I'm going to nurture them and help them understand ClickFunnels and affiliate marketing, and hopefully with the knowledge and information, the value I provide them, they'll want to hang on. So I wanted to give you a breakdown of, so the 200 clicks I ordered actually ended up getting 206 clicks. Okay. And it gives you a breakdown of tier 1, 2, and 3. If you're not familiar with solo ads, tier 1 are like your top 5 countries. It's the best quality traffic you can get. So 82% of my traffic went there. 9 of the clicks went to tier 2, 29 tier 3, which, to be honest with you, I'm actually going to do a case study video later on, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'll do a case study of all the different vendors I use. I probably won't provide their names, but I'll just give you like a breakdown of what, how the results were. I'm actually doing some vendors that don't even do tier 3, so you got to pay a little more, but it all sends to tier 1, which I think is better. So it gives you a breakdown of the clicks. So again, 206 total clicks. Let's look at some of the stats on the back end here. So we already saw these, but I want to show you some of the stats. So let me update this date range here. Okay, so let me change this because I started running on the around the 23rd. Okay, so some of these numbers probably aren't 100% accurate, but they're close to 200 people entered the funnel. Okay, and then it's saying it has a 31% opt rate, which is kind of low. I did do some split testing. I actually did a couple different versions of the funnel just to see what would work. As you can see here, one of them appears to be doing a lot better, 48%. Towards the end, I had adjusted that, and we'll see. I might start. The one issue with this variation is I'm not sure. I know that it works better in the front end at the first page, but going on later, I'm not sure if all the way through the funnel that will actually be beneficial, because there might be some missing information in the first page that they wouldn't get with because I took out a video, and it might cause confusion later on. So anyway, so that's kind of how things went. I just wanted to shoot this really quick video to let you know that I started the s.a.m funnel. Again, paid for 200 clicks, and if you see here, 5 trials. And so in my mind, 5 new trials. One thing that's not really touched on a bunch in this s.a.m funnel is the fact that you need follow-up. And so this is kind of my follow-up sequence. So if they subscribe to my list, let's see here, I wait, and then I send this email pretty quickly within a few minutes, and then I wait an hour, send another email, and then wait a day and send another one, and I basically keep sending them some emails. So there you go. I'm gonna start sending some more solo ads. I have about 1,000 kind of in the queue, and so I'm gonna do some follow-up videos just to show you kind of what is happening. So again, subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more and kind of see the progress of how the s.a.m funnel is going. I'll have a link to the s.a.m funnel. You can look at it and check it out if you don't know what it is. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I've had quite a few people reach out and just ask some questions, which is awesome. And just really excited to get this thing going and to see some continued success, and hopefully provide enough value that people will stick, and I can start seeing that potential revenue actually come in. Yeah, there you go. Thanks for jumping on, and appreciate you guys watching.